guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you my last Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of October 2021. I cancelled my boxes for November, so I was catching my October boxes when I found out about the issue with taxes here, and then I took the decision that I need to cancel. Unfortunately, I did it before getting the November Glam Bag X, which I was excited about. It is what it is. Products will be all the time, and for sure I have a lot of makeup to begin with, so I'm not completely sad that I canceled my boxes, because now I'm going to enjoy more to buying exactly what I want. Now this is with the increased price, so it retails for $28, and this is the bag that came in. Really nice bag. I have collected almost all the bags excepting one that I gave with a present to my mother-in-law, so now I am going to save them as a beautiful souvenir from my US boxes, and especially from Ipsy. On Ipsy Glam Bag Plus you get to choose 3 products, and Ipsy is picking for you 2 products, so in total 5 full-size product. So this is one of the products that I choose. It's a Love Plus Craft Plus Beauty Detailer Eye Brush Set. Now I have a lot of brushes to begin with, so I think I'm not going to keep those brushes. I'm probably going to either give them to my daughter or to make them as a present. Ooh, they are really gorgeous. Look at this handle. Oh, you guys. And they are extremely soft. Those are the brushes. So this is like a very small blending brush. It's even smaller than the Ref 14 or 13. And yeah, there are some sizes that I'm not very how to say, I think I don't get too much use of them, but maybe someone else will do. And I think those retail for $30, so it's crazy. It's crazy. You can get a good set of brushes from Ref from almost the same money and have more quality, and they are handcrafted and made in Japan. At the moment when I'm recording this video, the Ref Black Friday sale is still on, but if you want good quality brushes, I highly recommend you to try the Ref one. Moving on to the second product, in no particular order, I'm just grabbing what is on the bag. So this is by Hipdot, and it's the Witchy Worms palette. This is what Ipsy picked up for me, and I'm happy about that because I do love Hipdot palette or Hipdot formula. Let's see how we can open it. And I was telling you guys that in my BoxyCharm boxes I didn't get any eyeshadow palette, so I'm excited about this. I'll be more excited if I will be able to take it out. So this is the packaging, the outer packaging, and this is how the interior package looks like. Pressed pigment and glitter palette. Create looks that can last spell with the magically soft mattes, buttery shimmers and gleaming falls from the Witchy Worms palette, a cruelty and vegan company. Even though I have quite a lot of neutral palettes, I'm going to keep it because this is a worm palette and I do love the formula, and the embossed patterns from the shadows are absolutely stunning. So we have a sun, a leaf, a little bunny, a moon, some flowers, a key. This palette has made the box for me for this month. The third product, and this is a product they choose for me, and I have another one that I got in a previous month from BoxyCharm. This is by Dermelect, and it's a self-esteem beauty sleep serum that, if I'm not wrong, it contains retinol. So it contains glycolic acid, salicylic acid and L-ascorbic acid. So it might not be the same, it will be just the complementing serum from the same range. In this case I'm happy about, even though I haven't opened my retinol serum because I'm still using the one that I got from Dr. Dennis Gross, so I'm enjoying that. Oh, why I didn't show you guys, I also have a card, and the card says Pretty Wicked, fangs out, lips on. So this was actually the Halloween theme, and Here it's also featuring the Glam X that is happening now in November. The next product that I picked up is a mascara by Rowan Beauty, Cake Mascara in black. And Rowan Beauty is a clean brand. I'm not going to open it, of course, but I want to show the packaging. It's gorgeous. So look at this silvery, shiny metal tube. I don't know why it's plastic, it's not metal. I'm going to insert a picture with the wand, and I'm going to add this to my huge mascara collection that I need to open and use. The last product that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of October is the Viseart Petite Pro 1. Lovely khaki type of packaging. Thanks God this is not broken, so it's more neutral. It's a bit similar with the Petite Pro 3 that I have. Okay, so this is the Petite Pro 3. I can see some similarities. I'm very excited when I get anything from Viseart because they are a lovely brand. This was the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of October. I'm going to put the total up here on the screen. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. I'll have all the informations about Glam Bag Plus in the description box, together with the link of the shipping company that I have used to ship my products from the USA to Europe. I recommend this company, but just be aware that if you don't plan to ship more packages, at least for the Europe, they do not use the mail post service. They use only express or expedite shipping, and hence the prices are a bit higher. So I have used the DHL Express to ship. This is the most affordable option. They are really good for processing your custom declaration and all the stuff. So all the process was going smooth. I paid everything online and I had almost zero hassle. So comparing with what happened 1 month earlier with FedEx, DHL was just a dream. This is all for today. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. I hope you'll have a fantastic day. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. And follow me on my social because I have exciting news there and promotions that I do not have time to post them here on my YouTube channel. Everything that is new, exciting, good offer, I'm going to update you on my Instagram page. So thank you so much if you're going to follow me there. This is my handle. Okay, now I'm really leaving. Bye guys. Okay.